John and David has the same dream, owning the legendary Tesla Cybertruck. But when it comes to making the purchase, they are divided by their choice of payment. John decided to pay with traditional cash used in the bank, while David chose to use Bitcoin, a type of cryptocurrency. But as luck would have it, David succeeded, while John hits a roadblock. Bank failed due to some reasons. Join us as we compare the cash and cryptocurrency in their Cybertruck purchase journey. As you can see on the screen, the big question is, what exactly is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a 100% virtual form of money that uses cryptography for security and operates independently of a central bank. It's decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any single entity like traditional currencies. Instead, it relies on blockchain technology to record transactions securely and transparently. What is the cryptography? Cryptography is like a secret code that keeps your digital money safe and secure. It's a way of encrypting information so that only the intended recipient can access it, making sure your transactions are private and protected from hackers. What is blockchain technology? Think of blockchain like a digital ledger that records every transaction in a chain of blocks. Each block is connected to the one before it, creating a secure and transparent record of all transactions. This record is stored on computers all over the world. Extremely difficult to change or cheat the system. David's payments were successful. He used Bitcoin. What is the Bitcoin? In 2008, Bitcoin was introduced by the Satoshi Nakamoto through a document published online. This document is commonly referred to as a white paper. It is the first cryptocurrency, and this is the starting point of virtual currencies. No transaction limit, 24-hour works, and no tax fees. Easy to use for anyone. That's why David's crypto transaction was easily successful. But has transaction limit, no 24-hour works, and high tax fees. Not easy to use for anyone. That's why John's bank transaction was unsuccessful. I hope that you got knowledge well. Please give a like and share my video and subscribe my channel.